How to fix Face ID issue after iOS 26 update. Let's get started. So, the first solution is to turn off Attention Away feature. The security feature makes sure your eyes are open and visible. If it can detect your eyes clearly, Face ID might not be working properly. So, open up your settings application, scroll below, tap on Face ID and passcode, then enter your iPhone's passcode. After that, scroll below. Then you need to go ahead and simply turn off Attention Away features. Now, second option is to restart your iPhone. Simply tap on General right over here, scroll down, and then tap on Shutdown. Slide the slider to power off your iPhone, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back again. Now, next, if the Face ID is still not working, scroll below again, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and just like that, you can try setting up alternative appearances. If that does not work, you can simply tap on Reset your Face ID and then set it up again. The third solution is to remove your screen protector. If it's too thick, it might block the face sensor. So you can try removing it and see if the Face ID detects your face now. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.